echo of the ancestors in this song. Dub echo rolling through the sound. I feel Jah presence all around. Now the night falls soft and stars above begin to shine. Peaceful soul, the world alive. I lift my song to the sky so wide. Roots in love, forever my guide. Sweet reggae breeze, carry me away. soul revive. Roots of my heart, they never fade away. I keep on singing through the break of day. The freedom inside is the reggae way. I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday. Yeah, I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday.
Rhythm in my soul, dub echo rolls, making me whole. Sister of the sound, I'm feeling high under the stars of a Kingston sky.
roots of my soul, where it all begins. From the mountain to the sea, love and unity will set us free. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Jah light will guide us through the sky. Hold the faith, let your spirit fly. We're rising higher by and by. Dub echoes roll through the mystic night. Baseline steady, hearts ignite. Trumpet calling in a distant haze, guided by the rhythm of praise. Now the morning sun begins to shine. I feel your presence, pure divine. Every breath a song of grace. Roots and love in every place. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Jah light will guide us through the sky. Hold the faith, let your spirit fly. We're rising higher by and by. Yeah, we're rising higher by and by. Yeah. Higher by and by. Yeah. Rain is falling on the dusty ground. I hear the heartbeat of that old town sound. Children laughing, drums begin to play. Spirits rising as we greet the day. Child love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth dance.